When we think of hydropower, we think of massive dams like Bhakra Nangal or Tehri. But these mega projects come with a big headache. Massive land acquisition, large-scale deforestation, and the painful displacement of entire communities. But what if I told you there's a way to generate clean energy without destroying the environment? The Indian cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has just approved a 2,584.60 crore rupees plan to do exactly that through the Small Hydropower SHP development scheme. So, what defines a small hydro project? We're talking about plants with a capacity between 1 to 25 megawatts. Why is the government pushing this? Decentralization. These projects are built close to where the power is needed, meaning we don't need thousands of kilometers of transmission lines. Efficiency. Minimal lines mean minimal transmission losses. The electricity actually reaches the consumer instead of wasting away in the wires. Sustainability. Unlike giant dams, SHPs are environmentally sustainable. They don't require massive land or cause large-scale displacement. The government isn't just spending money, they are leveraging it. While the outlay is roughly 2,584 crore rupees, this move is expected to attract a massive 15,000 crore rupees in private investment. And here is the master stroke for Indian manufacturing. 100% of the plant and machinery will be sourced indigenously. This isn't just an energy scheme, it's a direct boost to Atmanirbhar Bharat. This scheme specifically targets hilly regions and the northeast. For northeastern states and border districts, the government is offering a heavy subsidy of 3.6 crore rupees per megawatt or 30% of the cost. For other states, financial assistance is 2.4 crore rupees per megawatt or 20% of the cost. This is strategic. By powering our international border districts, we are bringing development and stability to the most remote corners of India. What does this mean for the common man? Employment. The construction alone will create 51 lakh person days of employment plus long-term jobs for maintenance. Longevity. These plants are built to last, with lifespans ranging from 40 to over 60 years. Pipeline. The government is also setting aside 30 crore rupees just to help agencies prepare reports for 200 future projects, ensuring the momentum doesn't stop. So, by focusing on 1,500 megawatts of small power, India is solving a big puzzle: how to achieve clean energy, rural development, and national security all at once.